students, now I am going to continue with chapter number 1, that is knowing our numbers. Now just look at the board what I have written here. An aid in reading and writing large numbers. How we can write and how we can read the large numbers. Okay, I will give some examples regarding this, then only we will get to know how we can read and how we can write the large numbers. Now I am going to write a number from your textbook like this. Students, now look at here, I have written two numbers here. Then how can I read and how can I write these two numbers? How you are going to read this one? For example, look at this one. First example, 2, 7, 9, 4, 5, 3. Okay, how many digits are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. Then how we are going to read? Okay, now I am going to take this as a unit place, or we call it as a zero position. Okay, this is unit place or a unit digit place, and this is tenth, and this is 100, and this is 1000, and this is 10,000, and this is lakh. Okay, now look at here, this is unit position, and this is tenth position, this is 100th position, this is 1000, 10,000, and the last one is a lakhs position. Now this indicates the number in terms of lakhs. Nothing but we are going to we are going to start from lakhs. We are going to pronounce. We are going to read. Okay, begin from the lakhs. Now it becomes what? 2,79,453. Okay, now this number become 2,79,453. Like that we are going to read and write the large numbers. Like that we can also read and write the same. I have written some digits here. Now look at here. Again I am going to write this as a unit position, and this is a tenth, and this is 100, and this is 1000, and this is 10,000, and this is lakh, and this is 10 lakh position. Now look at here, don't get confused. I am going to write again here 5, 0, 3, 5, 4, 7, 2. I have written the digits like this. Just count how many digits are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 digits are there. And this is a unit digit, and this is a tenth, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, and this is 10 lakh. Like then how can I read? Then how can I write these type of large numbers? Then by taking this example, for this example, how can I read now? Now look at this one, 50 lakh. Okay, here I covered two positions. I covered the lakh as well as the 10 lakh position. That for that reason this becomes 50 lakhs. Then this become 50 lakhs 35,472. Like that I am going to read. Okay. For that reason you had to first look at the what is the highest digits position. Whether it is a lakhs or a 10 lakh or a crore or a 10 crore, like that. You have to first look at the position of the last one. What is the highest position? Now here the highest position is 10 lakh. For that reason this becomes 50 lakh 35,470. After this, like that they have given so many numbers in our textbook. You have to just go through those examples, then you will get to know how we are going to read and write the large numbers. For example, crores together, 2 crore 46,000, okay, 543, okay, like that so many numbers, large numbers, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, like that. We are going to read and write the large numbers. Okay, just keep it in mind. You have to remember the positions. You start from the unit digit value, then up to the last highest place, whether it is a 1,000 or a 10,000 or a lakh or a 10 lakh or a crore, like that. I have taken 2 examples. Okay, then students, after this, how after writing the large numbers, okay, sometimes we may feel somewhat difficulty to read and write the large numbers. Then at that time we are going to use some commas. Okay, then that is very helpful. That will be very helpful to read and write the large numbers. For that reason, what I have written here, use of commas. Sorry, but for when we are writing a large number, when we are reading a large number, okay, when we don't have sufficient knowledge to read and write such type of large numbers, then at that time we are using, okay, we have to use the commas. Okay, then how we are going to use the commas? For example, in your textbook they have given some examples like this. Okay, 508 01 592. This is somewhat a large number. This is somewhat a very big number. Now, at that time, okay, how suppose we are going to use the commas for these type of numbers. Now, look at here. Again, you just before going to start the commas, you have to first count the digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nearly 8 digits are there given. Now look at this one. Is a unit. This is a tenth, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and the last one is a crore. Nothing but the given number in terms of crores. Then at that time, how we are going to use the commas? According to the Indian system of numeration, okay, we have some set of standards. We have some kind of a system. According to the system, they have given some kind of a guidelines how we are going to use the commas. Okay, they are given the guidelines in such a way that for every 3 digits, for first 3 digits, okay, from this position, from right to left, here, then we are going to, for every 3 digits, we are going to apply the comma. Okay, after first 3 digits, then followed by the 2 digits, then followed by the 2 digits. Like that, we are going to apply the commas. Then what it indicates, for first 3 digits we are going to apply the comma, nothing but for the 100 position, then followed by the 2 digits, then for the 10,000 position, then followed by the 2 digits, then that is the 10 lakh position. Like that we are going to use the commas. Then they are given some example. Again, by taking some another example, you will get to know that what is that. Then they have given, okay, now they have given this large number. Now just count the number, how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, this is of same 8-digit number. Okay, you just apply the comma here. For first 3 digits, apply the comma. Then next 2 digits. Then next 2 digits. This type of system we are right now following according to the Indian system of numerization. They are given some set of instructions. How we are going to read, how we are going to write. Okay. Then this is very applicable, this is very useful for the large numbers. Then after this one, the international system of numerization is also there. Their set of things, their writing, their reading is somewhat different. They are going to use in terms of billion, million, 100 lakhs, like that they are going to use. Like that they are going to read and as well as write. Okay, this is about use of commas. Just keep it in mind. For first 3 digits followed by the remaining 2 digits, like that we are going to read and write the large numbers. Then after that, large numbers in practice. Something I have written already over the board. Okay, how we are going to use the large numbers in our daily life in practice. For example, we have a scale. Okay, students, we have a scale. Okay, that is of a 15 centimeter length scale. Okay, in that centimeter, again they have divided. Okay, divisions they have given in terms of millimeters. Okay, instead of calling the centimeter, we can say also the millimeter. How we are going to call, how we are going to say that one? For example, I am going to write here 1 centimeter. Look at the scale. In that scale, each centimeter they have divided the divisions. How many divisions are there? 10 divisions are there. For each division, we are going to call by a name millimeter. Just by counting all the divisions, we will get the value 10. Okay, then that indicates 10 millimeter. For 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeters. Like that, for so many quantities, for so many parameters, we have to use in our practice. For that reason, I have something written here. What is that? Look at here. For 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter, vice versa. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Both are same. Then afterwards, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. For 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter. In practice, instead of calling 1 meter, simply we are going to say 100 centimeter. Because in our practice, it is very easy to convey, it is very easy to use. For that reason, instead of using meter, I can call by a name centimeter. Then afterwards, here again in centimeters. Okay, I am going to express in terms of millimeters also. What is that? 1000 millimeters. 1 meter, instead of 1 meter, I will use 1000 milliliters. So millimeters. Then again some quantities like for expressing the masses, nothing but 1 kg, nothing but 1 kilogram. Instead of calling by name kg, 1 kilogram, I can say 1000 grams. Okay, then for 1 gram, okay, instead of 1 gram for measuring, for pronouncing, for using some quantities. Okay, 1 gram equals to 1000 milligrams. For example, while measuring, while checking the quantities like gold or some kind of ornaments, we are going to use in terms of grams and milligrams, because that is in our practice. For that reason, instead of kilogram, we are using the grams and milligrams for measuring, for checking the quantities like gold and expensive or valuable quantities. Okay, for example, again, one more I have done 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Okay, for example, quantities like oil or any kind of a liquid atoms, we are going to express in terms of liters. 1 liter water, 2 liter water, like that we can use. Okay, in some quantities, for example, the chemicals, nothing but acids or bases or some kind of a chemical substances. Where at that time, instead of using the liters, we can use also the milliliters. For that reason, what I have written for 1 liter, what is that? 1000 milliliters. Like that, we have so many practices for expressing the large numbers in terms of quantities or in other words also. Okay, like that, we can use these type of numbers for the system. Okay, then the remaining portion we are going to continue in the next class. Thank you.